If we want, we can do this here, same as there. We can resize it as we want, as we see fit. Let's make it go into half of our view here. And we can save the dashboard as test dashboard. Also, we can save access rights as for everything in this application. Click save, and the dashboard is here. Once we double click here, it renders it again. We can also close anything we don't want to see, like this, and now we have more space to work with, but I like to see this here. Now let's add a new widget, new chart. We can move it around where we see fit. I want to make it go here. Double click to get into it. Discard if you don't want to save the changes. Right click to delete it or customize it. Customize is simply double clicking it. Delete widget deletes it. We add a new one. Name it chart 1.2, sorry, the second chart in our array. Double click it. And now what we forgot to mention is we can also define the title of the chart here and the type of it. So there are a few types here. For the second chart, because it says it is based on the data, specific data, not from our universe. Let's go on to charts from CSV. And as you see, we have some charts here, which are already uploaded and ready to be previewed. And then they get us some data. We can also upload a new one, like this. Because there is already a chart that is named chart.csv, we can choose to override it or not. I won't do that for now. We can also delete a chart if we delete it. So we deleted that one, and we can now re-upload the same chart basically, and the chart is uploaded. And now we can click on it to select it and click preview, and we get the data from the CSV file which we had there. We can full screen it to arrange it more easier. And this is what we want to get here. So this one we won't need. This one we need. This one too. This one too. And now we can play with them as we want. We will do this like this. This here. And this there. As you see, I can play with them as much as I want. Let's make this bigger. Drag it. And as you see, I want this to be a little smaller. And this one a bit bigger. I can of course rearrange them as I see fit, but this is the thing we want to see here. And now we click save, and it is saved. So that's a simple usage of creating some of the charts from here.